Every step that we take is a giant leap towards mankind, is what we believe in, and that's what drives Matricula and each of its members. During this tenure of ours, for the last 7 years, we have tried to change and touch each and every life. And this act of ours has not only touched people or students from the district towns or the cities, but each and every rural foreground. And during this initiative of ours, what we have done is we have tried to bring in something new, something different, whereby we are changing each and every life one at a time by sponsoring their education. And in this endeavor of ours, we feel and we would like that you all support us. Support us not just but by paying anything, but by standing by our side, holding our hands and letting us cheer for joy for those who are in need.
Long time, and in these 7 years we tried to distribute education equally to everyone. Often we have seen that the people who are from well-to-do families, they get more opportunities than the people who are not so fortunate in terms of education. And at Matricula we are constantly trying to prepare the persons, the students from suburbs, and give them the same opportunities. This journey was never easy, but it was exciting. This year we are planning a lot of new things. There are projects we are working on, there are plans we are going to execute, and with this motivation we are starting another year. And lastly, I want to thank my co-workers, my associates, my team to support me every time I needed them, because without you people, this year of growth was not possible. Thank you so much.
Duster, cupboard,
hanging.
Cloth hanging.
Chalo, start.
Rain,
Water.
clouds,
Raincoat.
Point left to left. 3, 2, 1.
It has been 2 months since I joined over here, and as an intern, I always had this feeling that it would be really difficult to work at a workplace, but Matricula and their employees changed my way of thinking.
It's a pleasure to be here for internship training.
As an employee of Matricula, I got the opportunity to work different fields.
Name the folk dance of Andhra Pradesh. Anybody? Okay, chalo. Kuddal.
Kuchipudi.
Yes, that's the right answer. Name the father of Indian Constitution.
B.R. Ambedkar.
While I was in this company and during this learning phase, I got to know many things.
While being a Matricula education employee, there are lots of circumstances where I got to know many kids from rural India who didn't get the proper opportunities for their education. For them, as a content creator, I tried my best to make educational content more interesting.
Chico,